Are you looking for a tool that helps you figure out when to buy and sell without overcomplicating things? Well, today we're checking out on an indicator that does exactly that. It's called the Support and Resistance Power Channel by my favorite, ChartPrime. This handy indicator highlights the most important support and resistance zones, shows you how much buying or selling pressure exists in those areas, and even provides potential reversal signals. In this walkthrough, I'll break down what this indicator does and how you can start using it in your trading. If you find this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. To get started with this tool, head over to TradingView. That's the platform I'm always using. Open up any chart on any time frame you want. So it's pretty flexible, right? Next, click on the Indicators tab, type in Support and Resistance Power Channel, and choose the one created by ChartPrime. And add it to your chart. A big shout out to them, by the way. And now you're good to go. Now let's take a look at what this indicator actually does. The Support and Resistance Power Channel automatically plots dynamic zones right onto your chart. The cool part is that it doesn't just draw those zones, it also shows you the level of buying or selling strength happening in those areas, which makes spotting potential reversals way easier. When you load it up, you'll notice a channel. The upper zone, usually shaded pink, is the sell power area, basically your resistance. The lower zone, typically in green, is the buying power area, your support. Here's how it works. Within that upper pink zone, the indicator calculates the selling pressure by counting the number of bearish candles. In the lower green zone, it does the same for buying power by measuring bullish candles. This gives you a real sense of how strong buyers or sellers are at those key price levels. You'll also notice little X marks that highlight the highest and lowest prices within the channel. Their values are often displayed at the end of the channel for easy reference. On top of that, there's a midline, usually a dotted gray line, running through the middle of the channel. That line represents the average of the high and low. It's sort of like a fair value line. Price often comes back to retest it, making it a useful reference point. For reversal signals, you'll see diamond markers pop on the chart. These aren't random. There's actually a built-in delay to help filter out false breakouts. When a diamond prints, it's meant to be a more reliable confirmation. So how do you trade with this? It's actually pretty simple. For a bullish setup, you watch for the price to dip down into that green buy power zone. Check that there's a solid buy power reading there, showing buyers are stepping in. Then, once that diamond signal prints after the short delay, it confirms the reversal. At that point, you could look to go long. And if the momentum looks strong, even consider adding to your position. For a bearish setup, it's the opposite. You want to see price enter the pink sell power zone. If the indicator shows strong sell pressure and then prints a diamond, that's your cue for a potential short entry. The whole idea is that the tool makes spotting these opportunities quick and straightforward. When it comes to taking profits, that dotted gray midline is a solid place to set targets, since price often gravitates back toward it. To sum things up, the Support and Resistance Power Channel by ChartPrime is a really effective indicator. It brings together dynamic support and resistance levels, the buying and selling pressure at those levels, and clear signals for reversals, all in one clean package. It really simplifies trading by making the key level and turning points easy to see and act on. One last note, this is not a financial advice though. Everything we go over here is based on indicators, and for real trading, you should always combine it with your own price action study, fundamental analysis, or whatever other methods you rely on. If you learned something new from this video, please hit that like button. It helps more than you know. And if you'd like to see more content like this, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss future updates. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.